What's up guys, AppleNow here, and today's video is all about how I got this Razer phone for only $220. And these are my first impressions about this phone. So let's start from the thing I really wanted to buy this phone because of, and it's the display. I really like this 2560 by 1440 Quad HD IPS panel. It's not the best part about this display, however the best part about it is that it runs on 120Hz refresh rate, and to my surprise this is the best feature one could ever have in a phone. I really don't like foldable phones right now, they are not ready yet, but if there would be a feature that I really wanted right now in iPhones is that promotion 120Hz refresh rate display. I know OLED doesn't exist it, but OnePlus is trying really hard at the moment for OnePlus 7 Pro, as I guess they are going for 90Hz refresh rate display, and this 120Hz is just a piece of cake. If you guys know me and my smoothness thing, if there would be any phone that would just be the king of straight butter, it would definitely be this 120Hz refresh rate Razer phone. And the only problem about this display is that it is actually very dim and you really need a lot of focus to use it in direct sunlight. In my first impression, I thought Razer phone would have sounded a little better, a little louder, but it isn't the case. However, it is a lot better than my iPhone 10. Both got stereo speakers, but this is the one I would definitely prefer going for. And since 5 hours I got this, and I got it on 85%. And right now, after using it completely harshly, it is at 66%. Let me just go into the battery and show you guys my screen on time. And screen on time is 1 hour and 31 minutes. According to this, I guess the battery is actually very amazing. Since I got the phone, I just bumped the refresh rate to 120Hz. And after that, I actually enjoyed using it. The truth is, my iPhone X display now feels so slow. Even though its animations are a lot better than other phones, it is feeling now quite a bit slow. And I really don't enjoy it. There is a little difference between you enjoy using your phone and you use the phone. And the enjoy part is that this Razer phone is actually pretty damn good. However, there are some things that I spotted right away. For example, these volume buttons and the vibration motor. As I previously watched MKBHD video, I knew that these are the things that will let down the Razer phone. However, I can easily live with it, as I really don't have to press volume buttons every time I really want to use the phone. And it's that display. Speaking of other things, the build quality is insane, battery life is good, audio sounds really amazing. Then what's the left back? And on the back side of the phone, you can see 2 cameras. I've really got no time to test that right now, but in low light conditions, I can just say that it's better be off to get another phone if you really wanted a camera. And every other thing about this phone is actually pretty dope. For me, a phone that has the block-care design, full metal chassis, and a matte black color, and I'll die for it. Plus, as a bonus feature, it has the 120Hz eye-buttering refresh rate display that once you get used to, you'll never want it to go back, even to your iPhone. And it's what I say. And these are my first impressions for the Razer phone. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe button for more videos like this. My name is Harris, this is Apple Now, and I am signing out.